Okay, good morning to all of you. I'm Rajesh Kumar, science teacher of Pratapgarh School, Pathankot. Our main chapter is indoor environment, and this is the fourth video or fourth lecture of this chapter. Okay, and this is the last lecture of this chapter. Okay, in today's lecture, we discuss on the topics like managing the garbage we produce, and then the sewage treatment. Okay, how we treat the waste comes from the household, comes from the colonies, come from the home. Okay, first, the household waste is called garbage. Some of the garbage is biodegradable and some are non-biodegradable. Garbage cause pollution of air, water and soil, so it should be disposed properly. Some of the methods of garbage disposal are landfills, recycling, production of biogas and manure, preparation of compost, incineration, sewage treatment. Okay, this is all about the garbage which we produce during our activities. Okay, in the sewage treatment, okay, what are the sewage treatment? In sewage treatment, we treat the waste comes from the household industries and other basically household activities, from other activities. Okay, first, the sewage system carries the waste from the industries, from the colony, and then this waste come at this point, and then there is a separation of the solid materials. Okay, coarse screening and grit or disposal. Okay, then the waste enter into the primary sedimentation tank. From the primary sedimentation tank, it enter into the aeration tank to final settling tank, at which the sediments settle down at the base. Then recycle water. Okay, then that water is used in the agriculture purpose. Okay, okay, this is all about the sewage disposal system, sewage treatment system. Okay, yeah. Okay, see, this system is very simple system. First, we have to remove the solid impurities like garbage, like solid sticks, woody material, any iron material, any manure. Okay, then this water enter into the sedimentation tanks, then aeration tanks. In aeration tanks, air is provided for the aerobic bacteria. The aerobic bacteria decompose the waste material if present in the water. Okay, then finally water into the another tank where the sediments, if there is some sediments left, they can settle down. Okay, finally this tank is known as settling tank. Okay, then recycle water. Okay, then restricted agricultural and landscape reuse. Okay, then there is also another tertiary treatment. If we use this water for drinking purpose, then tertiary treatments. In tertiary treatments, we add some disinfectants like chlorine, UV light. Okay, they can kill the bacteria, they can kill the virus if they are remain present in the water. Okay, then recycled water, then filtration. Okay, then can be used for drinking purpose or industrial purpose. Okay, I hope you understand all these concepts. Our chapter environment complete. Hope you understand all the concepts, all the terms. Okay, meet you soon in the next lecture, in the next chapter. Stay at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.